Hey guys, how's it going? Here's my 78 f100 long bed with CN truck with wagon wheels on it, hella fog lights. So it's got the train wheels on it. There's the 390 FE Ford Racing valve covers, Edelbrock Performer intake. Yeah, it's got a CB. That dash, I made that dash pad. Yeah. So, the Pine Ridge Model Railroaders Club, I took this to one of their club events, and they liked it. So yeah, go check those guys out if you're also into model trains as well as cars. So yeah, there's our Fury, looking good. We'll see you later, guys.